Hello everyone, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Fox Media. I know it's been a really long time, but I'm back. I started my YouTube channel again after a few problems. Now I'm back with brand new edition. Thank you so much for staying me last few years. Alright guys, without wasting time, today I'm going to unbox Godox LC500R RGB light. So this light has really good reviews. So I recently started my YouTube channel and there's a few lightings going on, but I don't have any RGB lights, big lights, so I decided to get this light from Godox. You can see here. Okay, without wasting time, let's unbox this beast. I'm going to put it away. Now, it's really good. Wow. It feels really good. You can carry it away, right? Wow. This is brilliant from Godox. This is actually good. Smells good. I'm going to open this beast. Wow. You can have a user manual. You know we are not ready to protect. I'm going to put it away. Then you have charging adapter. Always use this one. If not, it will destroy this lithium-ion battery. Okay, just use this. Don't ask why. Just use this. Right. But you can see here, most importantly, I'm really disappointed, but I knew that there's no remote control here. You can see here, there's a empty space. There's an empty space. It's for remote controller, but I asked from local store. They said Godox company, they stopped sending remote controllers now. Let's get this light. Wow. See here, there's a barn doors, right? Wow. I hope you can see. There's a barn doors. Wow. Just fantastic. Let's turn on this one, right? Let's see. Wow. Right. No, this is not RGB side, right? Now I'm going to use it. How do I get to remote? Here we go. This is our RGB panel, right? Wow, this is really good. Alright guys, here we can control color from this wheel, but if I had remote, then only have to select buttons, right? But it's okay. But Godox, I really need remote for this one. Right guys, I don't know anything about this. I wanted to study that before review this. So I hope that's it. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.